good morning guys. Today I'm gonna make banana cheese roll, okay? So these are all the ingredients. We have the cooked bananas, 1 kilo cooked bananas, breadcrumbs, flour, half a cup of flour, 1 cup brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of butter, and then cheese, and then condensed milk, okay? Yes. Okay. Mashing the bananas. Okay, so now we're gonna add all the ingredients. Oh, before I forget, I'm gonna add 1 egg also. One of the ingredients, egg also, guys. Flour, the brown sugar, and then the butter. Milk. 3 spoons like this, using this spoon. Super sweet na. Okay. Okay guys, so it's time to make a cheese banana cheese roll, okay? So we're gonna use this one, guys. Okay, 1/4 cup. I'm gonna use that one, and then so we're gonna do like this and then roll. Make a roll like that. Okay, like that, guys. Roll like this, and then dredge in the breadcrumbs. Okay. Okay, guys. So we're gonna put it here. Okay, next. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna place in the breadcrumbs. Okay, there. Okay. Okay, guys, and that's it over there. It's done. So we're gonna go outside for frying, okay? It's frying na, guys. And the second batch. Okay. Put it here. Our banana cheese roll is done. Let's eat, guys. Okay. It's yummy. That's the half. Oh. Oh. Okay? So, I don't need to put or drink in the condensed milk or chocolate because it's sweet already. Mm. Half is fallen on the floor. Iwala lang ako punita guys, na natagak ang katunga sa floor. Okay? So, this is the other half. Okay, yummy guys. That's our banana cheese roll is done. It's super yummy guys. Okay guys. Thank you for watching and see you tomorrow for another recipe. Bye-bye. Mm. 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 Good.